All right, welcome back to part 2 of Montgomery, Alabama, trying to bring you this heat, this fire. So standing right behind me is the Legacy Museum. They're very, very particular about taking pictures and photos and such nature, so I won't be able to show you any type of video, any type of photos on Instagram or on here, but I definitely wanted to highlight it. And after I leave here, I hear they have a tour or a shuttle bus that would transport you to the Legacy I guess museum area for the outdoors and stuff like that for the lynchings. So that's like maybe about a 10-minute, 5-minute ride up there on the shuttle. So make sure you stay tuned, like it all. Leave a comment if you've been here. Leave a comment if you are thinking about coming here. All right, so stay tuned. Okay, so after you get dropped off by the shuttle, they drop you off at the old Peace and Memorial Center. You can't really use it. It's not open for visitors. They only use it for little events and stuff like that. But you come to like a set of stairs on either side, and it has some certain names on there, and you can actually read the names. They have brochures that you can check it out, but it's dedicated to the 1950s, okay? So what we're gonna do is, it's kind of bright right now. I'm gonna change that in a second, but you go across the street to the actual landmark, all right? So let's go across the street. All right, guys, so after walking from the Legacy Museum, it was about a 30-minute walk, directly behind me, this house is most famously known as the Dr. King's house, all right? So it was shared by many ministries, sorry, not ministries, but ministers that were on the Dexter Avenue King Memorial Baptist Church, the one I showed you earlier on the previous video. So I'm not able to actually go inside, but you can schedule tours and stuff like that to go inside. So I'm not sure if they allow you to take pictures or videos inside, but I definitely wanted to show you the house. So right on the corner, right here, is where you actually sign in and stuff like that. So they have a little sign right here that says Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. lived here. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then they actually have an historical sign right here that's front and back that you guys can read. And then maybe about 3 or 4 houses down this way, show you behind me, a couple houses down, there's another marker that's another point of interest. So let's walk down there. All right, so that short little walk, couple houses down, as you can see, there's another marker right here, and it's called the Harris House. All right, so make sure, I'm gonna have a little pop-up, and you can actually go on my Instagram. Make sure you go on Instagram. You can get a little bit more details, but essentially, let me turn this around. This house, originally constructed as the turn of the century, was the home of Dr. Richard H. Harris Jr., the grandson of John W. Jones, an Alabama state senator during Reconstruction. Harris was a captain with the famed 99th Squadron Tuskegee Airmen during World War II. So it's pretty dope, right? So he's a registered pharmacist. He operated Dean Drug Store, Montgomery's oldest black drug store, established by his father in 1905. So I'm gonna try to get a little bit more history on that, but literally, the store was located at 147 Monroe Street in a historically black business district, listed in the National Register of Historic Places before being demolished in the 1980s. Crazy, right? During the 1955-56 Montgomery bus boycott, Dean Drug Store served as a command center where Dr. Harris played a critical role in communication and transportation. So like I said, when you go on my Instagram, you'll be able to see all that. All right? So let me show you the house a little bit. So after a quick little walk from the Dr. King's house, is about maybe a 15-minute walk. Pretty much a straight through shot, and you get to the Freedom Rides Museum that's directly behind me. So I've already actually been in there, but I just had to record after the fact. But essentially, you can't take any pictures, can't record anything. So I'm highly disappointed in this trip right now, because I really want to show you guys some of that stuff. But let's say go to my Instagram. And I'm gonna try to get some archival photos or videos and try to upload those and give you guys a little bit more of a history tour. So like I said, that's the Freedom Ride Museum, all right? So I think this is where I'm gonna end the video. And like I said, make sure you guys catch me every Monday, 2 p.m. Eastern, 1400 for the cool people. And this is Travis and Preston signing out from Montgomery, Alabama. Peace.